about a woman not being married at a certain age. Like, you'd hear questions like, Auntie, why you never marry?
I watched the video about herself, yes. She say if girl, lady never marry, why did they talk? Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, do well to subscribe. Yes, so oh lol, yes, here once done. I don't fit 3 video. Yes, so me not take them from you. Yes. This our sister, our Basketmouth, yes, Basketmouth wife, ex-wife. No, they call her ex-wife or Basketmouth wife. Which you don't feel? No, they call her ex-wife. Probably not too much. Basketmouth ex-wife. She don't come out say people to the pressure people say, you never marry. Hey, you don't old. Hey, if a woman not quick marry, say people come they say you never marry. Maybe she never meet her right person, or she never ready to marry. My beautiful sister, you know, say you be our marriage counselor. Una of marriage counselor for this social media. Me una collect sense. Now, not say this Basketmouth wife, if now go look her old video, she dey preach about how you go take follow the bone to your bone, skin to your skin, lover to your lover. From there, now you don't jump. Problem too much this social media. If you can't be there, join them. Second blessing, see you. I don't come from you. Now she went advice. He get one of her video when she and Basketmouth say, no, what you go fit scatter us. No be talk about you bad now. Oh, it pay me. I pray any one of now, whether na Basketmouth, whether na you get the fault, I pray me you quick realize so that we na come back together. If na anything it dey behind una marriage, I pray may the Almighty God remove that thing and see the reality. Yes. Or maybe because you quick marry, you never chop life, or you never see life for outside. Now you want like to see life. Collect sense, so my sister, if it not you. But it's good to divorce than to take each other life. But people divorce every day. We know they see now because of them as social media figure. They social media. That is their big. We know them. You know, that is why we always see all those celebrity, all those our comedy, all those people who they online say they divorce. People they divorce when they know the social media every day. But I don't expect you my beautiful sister, yes, Basketmouth wives, you when you be marriage counselor, you when you they give everybody to about marriage matter. I was shocked when I say you don't now the road of divorce. You know, in marriage they reach that stage when you go tire, Basketmouth go tire. But it's by the grace of God, that is when our family come in. That is where our love come in. Those who love us, those who care for us. Once we feel past that stage, I don't believe say we go feel divorce. Yes, I know why I talk. You know, marriage, time the day when, as I first talk, you will tire. You need your love. In fact, people when really love you, if you don't get mother, if you don't get father, people when love you, when get you at their heart, they go draw you, they counsel you, they talk to you, they let you know once you feel past that stage. In fact, this Basketmouth wife, and if they fit past this stage without they not divorce, I'm not sure anything will ever feel divorce them. They go all together. Because if you read this her wife message when she they give out, if you follow those messages, I know they follow her before. Now when they are divorced, when they say Basketmouth, then I they see get this one of our particular brother, he did Facebook. I not cram in name for Facebook. He always bring in old video. They blacks, they talk, put say, if you when you go fit give this kind of advice, what it go reach on when you go fit take divorce? If now something they behind it, may God come for rescue. You understand? You when you get this kind of wisdom, you feel still divorce. Talk of those who not just get the sense at all. Now they say, please, if you be married woman, married man, know the area you associate yourself with. When you are weak, they there to, you know, to give you that advice you need in that particular time. Yes. I think that this our brother now, yo, they fly up and down, and you, Edoshi, and you don't marry second wife, that person. That one for there. Then this my sister, my beautiful sister, Basketmouth. I'll put the voice also. Maybe none of you say I lie. Yes, I'll put her. Let's go to comment section. Let's read 1 or 2. Then one person say, keep quiet, I beg. Why you come marry early? Come born safe. because e no work, you don't turn advisor. Why you no advise us last 2 years? Now wetin one person talk. Another one say, this one is still better. Now husband, if you see wetin people they see about children, because Basketmouth come and say people they always they talk about you never marry, now people they talk about. Then this one called talk about children. Then another one say, another blessed CEO is loading. Yes, my sister, my beautiful sister, Basketmouth wife. You can deal with your husband and do what you want to. Let your husband know so you like social media, you want to they talk. And you they talk before you they advise people. Yes. If he agree good, what bless CEO they do, why you will go collect a Percy husband? Yes, that Percy husband, he don't claim and say a widower. You know, that might not be widow, bless don't the bulalaran. If he good, bless when they tell you now advice, say stay with that husband. Some people they are this, but he want enter husband now, say you don't fall in love. You know, now they collect sense. So if you be one of bless CEO, advice when they are and they admire bless CEO, nothing they dear. Oh, be careful, collect brain. There's another bless CEO, don't load though. Another one say once una break up, una don't set ring light. This is my commenter. They say once they don't break up, they'll set ring light. Me I did with my own. I see they set my ring light. No, everybody. All of you should get out. I beg. Marriage is married. That okay. All of you should get out. I beg. Marriage is marriage. This marriage that. You see. He say all of them, no, get out. Marriage do this, marriage do that. No, get that from inside. Once those celebrating or lead straightly anyone that all break up. That is once all those celebrate they break up or get divorced or even just get married, born, motivation here and there. He say once they don't all those celebrate they divorce, they'll just have to do marriage counselor. Marry who you blame, my beautiful sister. You want to drop this comment? Who you blame? Now the people when they follow, they like one when tell I bless CEO say, hey, I will take some of your advice. Especially when they take for some of the advice. No be say if even the husband herself, if they open him mouth, they tell now say, I feel blow person husband, that kind of person. He say thank God say no be all. I talk. I not say me you take my advice. Now talk. I talk. Me una collect sense so elderly people they don't be say all elderly people they be elderly. Look elderly people when they responsible. If you not get mom. Elderly people when still get sex, when still they responsible. Yes. You they follow her footstep. Now wait till I talk with that too. If you don't like her, forget about it. My people, I'll leave now when enjoy the video when our Basketmouth wife drop. Okay? No way till you they take, no way till you they that is no the advice when you they pay for this social media. Now wait till I got now wait till I want to leave. I'll see you in my next video. If you like this my channel, yes, I just finished filming that family when they wife. That is why that's my vibe. Now not my sister, that vibe, so not too much. I make me not fit laugh. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Baby kangaroo. I know do thumbnail for any of my video. Wow.
I feel like it's only in this part of the world that people make a big fuss about a woman not being married at a certain age. Like you'd hear questions like, Auntie, why you never marry? Is she going to marry herself? Some even go as far as suggesting that, Auntie, you sure say you know go born one? How do you ask people such questions? You need to understand that if a woman is not married, it's because she's probably taking her time or she hasn't met the right person. Because you do not want to rush into this institution called marriage in the name of wanting to get married on time and end up rushing out. Because it's tough. Marriage can be tough. As beautiful as it is hard work. Yeah. So if a woman decides that she's not ready yet, you need to let her be. Stop with the derogatory remarks on why she's not married, because it is really unfair. It's actually unfair. Yeah. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. I feel like it's only in that